it's your teacher Karen again, and I am very happy to be talking to you about your book, Nature Around Us. So if you are ready, come and join me. Our topic for today is making a flower garland. So flowers have many uses, and one of them is it is being used in making a garland. So for this activity, we have it on page 8 of your book, Nature Around Us. Okay. What are we going to do? It says here, color the pictures of flowers as the patterns. So this is a picture of a flower garland, and it actually has a pattern using color. So as you can see, we have here pink, yellow, purple. Pink, yellow, purple. So if we are going to follow this pattern, what is the next color that we should use here? Okay, you have to use pink, because if you have observed, purple is usually followed by a pink colored one. So this one's purple. We are going to use pink color to color the next flower. So you can color this flower with a pink color. And still following the pattern, okay, we have here pink. What is the next color to the pink flower? It is yellow. So we are now going to use yellow for the next flower. So this one is pink because this one's purple. So purple, pink, and the next one is supposed to be yellow. So color this one with yellow. Okay, after you finish, look for the color that comes after yellow. So in here we have yellow, and what comes after yellow? Very good, it is purple. So we are now going to use purple color for the next flower. So in here you have to color it purple. Okay, so we have pink here, yellow here, and then we have here purple. Now how about the next flower? What is supposed to be the color? Well, since this is purple, what are we going to use for the next flower? Again, you have to use pink. Okay, color this one with pink. And the next one is supposed to be what color? Okay, it is supposed to be yellow. And then, again, purple. So there you go. You have to follow the color of the flowers that are presented in the pattern. So I hope you were able to get it, kids. And I hope that you enjoyed this activity. Kids, I hope that you learned something from our discussions and our activities. I hope to be doing fun with you again next time. Bye-bye!